Hey everyone, welcome to this detailed review of the Chime Visa Debit Card, where we're going to cover everything you need to know before getting this card. Whether you're new to online banking or just exploring Chime as an option, this video will help you decide if it's the right fit for you. First up, what is the Chime Visa Debit Card? It's a fee-friendly card that works with Chime's online spending account, known for not charging monthly or overdraft fees, making it appealing to budget-conscious users. But before we jump to conclusions, let's look deeper into its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: one of the biggest benefits is that Chime doesn't charge any monthly fees or require a minimum balance, which is great for people who want a simple, straightforward banking solution. You also get free access to over 60,000 ATMs, making it convenient to withdraw cash when you need it. Another highlight is the early direct deposit feature, which lets you access your paycheck up to 2 days early if you use direct deposit. This can be a lifesaver if you're waiting on your money to hit your account. Disadvantages: while Chime offers a lot of flexibility, it's not without its downsides. For instance, there are fees for using out-of-network ATMs, and Chime's customer service, while generally reliable, is only available through phone and chat. There's no in-person option since Chime has no physical branches. Additionally, the card doesn't offer any traditional credit building options since it's a debit card, so if you're looking to improve your credit score, Chime might not be the right solution for you. Overview of services: Chime offers more than just a debit card. It includes automatic savings features where you can set aside a portion of your direct deposits or round up purchases to the nearest dollar and stash the difference into a savings account. There's also real-time transaction alerts through the mobile app, helping you keep track of every expense. The card is compatible with mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can make contactless payments easily. Chime also provides a SpotMe service, which covers overdrafts on debit card purchases, though this feature is limited based on your account activity. Costs: as mentioned, there are no monthly fees, but it's important to note that using an out-of-network ATM can cost you $2.50 per withdrawal. International transactions also come with a 3% fee, which can add up if you're traveling abroad. Keep this in mind if you frequently withdraw cash or make purchases internationally. That's a wrap on this in-depth review of the Chime Visa Debit Card. Hopefully, you've got all the information you need to make a smart choice about whether or not this card is right for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with Chime.